I'm traveling. I'm traveling. Ooh. Into the wild. Wild, wild, wild.
I've been wading through the water, looking to the mountaintops. I just walked up in the ocean, trying to get my mind to stop. I've been going through these motions, this routine has got to stop. I've been caught up in the moment, giving all this pain no thought. But the darkness puts me in my soul, yeah. Well, I can seem to breathe alone, yeah. And everything just begins to fall, yeah. Away, and I just start to feel it all. So grow with me, don't hold me down. Stay on with me and smoke with me when I'm around. Just go with me if you be down. If you've been down, so keep it on moving now.
So those little danglers are like the male pollen things that pop up, and then the female stuff is down here, and so the sperm goes down into the nestle down here and impregnates the female. They have swimming sperm at this, the mosses have swimming sperm.
Cool. That's how they get down. All right. Pretty crazy.
And I had, when I was in this science class,
Wow.
the feeder, they're looking for something to hold on to, like the pier or rocks.
Wait, should I touch it?
You can.
Oh my god. Hell yeah.
And then right in the center, you see that little donut hole?
Yeah.
That's where it eats. That's its mouth part.
Dang. Heck yeah.
So when it eats, it opens up and it
Yeah.
comes out. And then all these spiky things, see all the spikes in between? They help kill it and
Starfish
shovel it
are.
in.
Watch out, girl. Starfish are.
I'm traveling.